What is going on, lunatics? The question of the day is, Do Kwon really still in charge of the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, and thus is he the leader secretly of the Terra Rebels? And the answer to that is hell no. This is clickbait. You fell for it again. Stop falling for shit like this. By the way, here's the real show. What is going on, lunatics? Guys, you are currently witnessing a breakdown in the price. We just hit under 2,300, and should it be a cause for alarm? The answer to that is no. It's really not. There's no reason for anybody to have any concern about a lower price right now, considering some of the changes that are coming and considering some of the mathematics that are going to be worked out over the long term. We just had the conversation with Neblio. It went as well as could be expected. They're going to support financially, and they believe that it's going to help them long term by having a foothold in the door with the Luna Classic revival. They think it's good for their reputation, and it's not going to cost us anything. So fair enough. It's not financial advice, but I'm always right.
Everybody listen up. Let's get it. I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid.
All right, guys, you can see right here, this is where we've been trading. You know, this has been going on for quite a while, and we're witnessing, it's not a breakdown. You know, that's what everybody fails to understand every single time that we do this. And I keep hearing people tell me, well, what about what this guy said? What about what this guy said? Well, that guy's an idiot. So why you're listening to him, I have no idea. There is no breakdown. We're literally doing a pattern that plays out over and over and over again in crypto. And you can see here from the chart that we've been in this kind of pennant pattern with a little bit more room to go. Now you can make an argument that maybe this should be a little bit higher. This might be just a tad lower. Maybe we're going to have a breakout in a shorter period of time. Maybe it's going to be a good one, but there's more to it than just looking at this one, because Ethereum, see right here on the Ethereum chart, and I know you're not Ethereum fans, but listen, Ethereum matters, and we're having this sort of move right here, and you can see right here, this has been a long-term sort of play out, and it looks like it's varied just a little bit. And if I do this, I'm a little premature on it, but it might be that this is moving in this sort of pattern right here. And I hope that you can see that we might be breaking down over a quicker period of time. Okay, this is just an idea that maybe some of this is coming to a head because we had this gigantic move in the market on Friday on the Dow Jones, and we've got positive information going over the weekend. So most probably we're going to be looking at more positivity there. Then you look at the Bitcoin chart and you look how this thing is played out. And if you follow me for any length of time, then you know that we're talking about this, and I still have a few more candles to fill in on my little guesstimate over here. And look, we're looking at a breakout, and the breakout's going to happen Monday or Tuesday. Now, the question on this breakout, because there is going to be a breakout, the question is it going to go to the downside or is it going to go to the upside? And really, to be fair, nobody knows the answer to that right now. We can look at this and we can see that we have trouble with the resistance right here. We have trouble with the resistance right here. So, you know, when you look at it, then you get a little bit nervous. And then you see the moving averages over here, and you see that we're kind of following along with this older moving average, and it's going over the line right now, which means that as a resistance point, which you see here, it settles as a resistance point, like maybe this takes us a little bit out here. And once we get past this long term, and when I say long term, please understand, I'm going to go to the day chart right here, and we're going to look at that just a little bit. We're still on Bitcoin, obviously, but this thing has been going on for almost a year now. This trend line has not varied in any way for a year now. So when you look at this, then you can see just how far it is. Now, we broke outside of that line, but we still maintained ourselves under this portion of the line. So, you know, it's very nerve-wracking and annoying. Now, looking over at USTC, we can see here that we're getting lesser and lesser pumps. Now, if we're starting to make some plays here, it's too late to make real good plays. But if we took that, we've got this going on right here. Then we've got, and we want to touch the top on each one of these because it's very easy right now. Then we want to look at this bottom, and we see the bottom started here. And we want to look at this like this right here. So what you can see is you see a channel kind of closing. So It would be my guess, and if you're trying to make a play on this, it is just a guess, but it would be my guess that maybe we're going to make a play to this right here, do a little bit of this right here, and then we're going to make a move back up into this area right here, maybe a little bit further down. So anywhere in this little area right here before we have another fall breakdown, and then we'll probably break that support line. It's the most probable result of that, because let's face it, there's nothing on USTC right now for us. There's no reason for USTC to continue pumping other than because whales wanted to do. Now, because I'm talking about it right now, might be too late. Might be too late. We might be kind of at the end of all of this run right here, because you see right here, we were using this as a level of support, right? Well, on this next go round right here, you can see right here that we're kind of using this line. So we might be breaking out into a different pattern on that one. So be very careful if you're making any plays on USTC right now. But purpose of Luna Classic, allow this thing to play out. Give it some time to finish out whatever move it's making in this channel. It does seem to be kind of moving with the markets right now. Now, I know what you're saying to yourself. You're saying, well, the markets are going up today. Yeah, but it's up 0.3%. Come on, McFly, put a pen in that one, because we're not playing that game, right? Bitcoin is basically trading sideways for the day. Ethereum's up 1%, that's a significant amount for a one-day increase. You do that over 30 days, 30% increase. But look, it's not going to continue the way that it's going right. So just this is what it looks like. This is the way the trading is right now, and I think that this is what we've got for the moment. Then we have Neblio, and look, the Neblio thing. Let's move on. So the Neblio thing is very easy. We've got this, what appears to be benevolent company that we don't have to do anything for, that says that they're going to help us do the things that we want to do. And that's financial. And that is perfect. That's all we need. The reward for us is their support, and they have the funds available to try and assist us with no obligation. Our responsibility to them is none. There is no responsibility to them. So when people are coming at you and they're breaking out all these different scenarios, all these different things, don't put a lot of stock into the FUD people. Look, there's a lot of FUD people out there. Their sole goal right now, the sole reason that they want to make you stop investing is because they want you to invest in their product, or they want you to sell your bag so that they can get in at a lower price. This is money that we're playing with. I told you yesterday, this is a game. But this is a real man's game, so to speak. This is where people will do whatever they can to make you make a mistake, to make you pay for an error, to cost you money for no reason for you. But for them, it's so that they make money. And that's alarming, but that's the way business has been done forever. So this is the market. This is what's going on. Just have a little patience. Let this thing play out. Let the Terra devs have an opportunity to develop, create, fix Cosmos, fix Tendermint, reestablish the Cosmwasm, disable and re-enable the market swap, give them an opportunity to repeg a token, give them all the things that they need. All you have to provide, literally, all you have to provide them with patience. It's not financial advice. My name's Bleaves. I am always right. And I'm going to put a little clickbait on this, just so you guys are like, oh my God, this is going to be crazy. But yeah, I hope you find the clickbait really, really, really funny. We'll talk to you guys again soon. Thanks for tuning in.
I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid.